Hello, I am SamanthaAnderson, c3304452. I'll be demonstrating my puzzle design for ENGG4500, Engineering and Complexity. My puzzle is sorting their items into their appropriate boxes, and that is my design of my project. I'll start with listing how my puzzle fits all the criteria of the assessment. The first category is the cited user function and the prevention of the successful completion. This is done via the colorizing of the different boxes and their appropriate items. This will deter and prevent successful completion via the cited user. It also incorporates different shapes and sizes to deter the cited users, such as all the individual items having the same weight when actually some of them have particular items within them. This also deters the cited user from completing the puzzle, as well as misinformation of items sticky taped inside the box, as well as textures. Moving on to the blind user functions category. To solve the puzzle, the blind users use texture, as well as sound, to allow them to solve the puzzle, whereas a sighted user would use colour, which prevents them from completing the puzzle. Moving on to category 3 on operations. This is done via disorganisation and reorganisation of sorting each of the items depending on either texture or sound, which are two different types of ways to solve the same solution. Category 4 covers the constraints. I do not use Braille in my solution in my puzzle, and I have 6 pieces that are separate and individual parts of my puzzle, as well as it covering the 200 by 200 by 200 guidelines. Category 5 is on materials. There was no restriction on materials, but they had to be recyclable items. All of my project was based on paper and sticky tape and rice, as well as these Panamax tablets that I cut and reshaped to put the rice inside so it can be used for sound. The next component will now be the demonstration of my puzzle. Cited. Please solve the puzzle. That's wrong. Blind individual, please solve the puzzle. Sighted user solving the puzzle. Please sort the items into their appropriate boxes. That is wrong. Recording to blind user. Please solve the puzzle by sorting the items into their appropriate boxes.